welcome back. I know I ain't been posting in a minute, but but I have been very busy. Schoolwork. Two, I had to drop chemistry, y'all. It was too much. But anyway, let's get into the real point of this video, which was about rice water, and it helps your hair grow, supposedly. Truthfully, it does. I've noticed a lot of growth. I've been trying to do this video for like the last 2 hours, so like my hair got dried out and everything. I can't really show y'all the length I guess my hair has grown because I haven't kept up with it. I could see if I could find some pictures and like post it along with this, but I doubt it. The goal ultimately was like to get my hair down all the way to my back, and of course my hair is wet, so it's some shrinkage going on, but I don't know if y'all could see all of that. I'll probably end up doing another video so that you guys can see all the way down. Not another video, but a picture, and I'm gonna have somebody else take the picture and I'm gonna just hold my hair so you guys can see it. But let's get into this. So let me start with some products that I use first off, and maybe I should take my glasses off so it's not as blurry because I look wild crazy. Okay, so let's start with rice. I use jasmine rice because that's what I really like to use. I saw this other girl's video, and I think I've used white rice a couple of times, but I was just like, oh, I like jasmine rice. And then I went from using the white jasmine rice to using brown jasmine rice. So I use that, and then I normally take, I'm gonna just show you what I did right here. I'm gonna just show, sorry, something came up on the camera. I'm gonna just show y'all what I did right here. So as you can see, you can kind of see like where the water is and then where the rice is. I put way too much rice this time, but that's whatever. It's not really gonna affect it. I don't think. I do it all the time. So I want to say just proportion them evenly. I don't measure, as y'all could tell. Proportion it evenly, and then I wash my rice off and then I put it in there with the water. So that's what I do, and then I let that soak for 24 hours, a whole day. And they say to leave it in a dark space. I don't like that because it starts to stink, so I actually put mine in the fridge. Again, I don't know if that affects the results because my hair has been growing. So anyway, let me just get this into a bottle, and then I'm gonna show y'all everything else that I put inside of there. Okay, so let me just show y'all how this looks. So it's like this really weird color, like dark, I won't say dark brown. It's like a light, weirdish, yellowish color, whatever. That's what it normally looks like, and this is really like a lot because when you're spraying it, you're not using a lot, more than likely. So next thing that I put in there is I put this aloe vera gel, and I put that because it's very moisturizing. Okay, first off, how these YouTube people be doing this stuff where they be putting their hand behind it and then it just magically appears? So I'm just put it closer if you could see it. No, you can't see it. Now you can see it. Okay, so I use this aloe vera, and again, I don't measure. Like I said, I use it because I think it's very moisturizing, and I think I saw something on Instagram. It was like these oils and aloe vera gel, and I was like, I wonder how that would take if I put it in my rice water. Put it in my rice water, and what I noticed is it helped a lot with like the breakage because rice water is very, very high in protein. So if your hair is constantly dry and you're gonna use this, moisturize. And I'm known for leaving my hair dry. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm not a hair guru by any means. I don't take care of my hair like how I should, but it does, you know, my hair messes with me. It grows anyway, even though I treat it bad. I'm trying to do better, but I always say that and I never can. So I'm just, you know what, this is not a smart idea to pour it in midair. So I'm gonna pour this, and then I'll be back. And this is where we're at right now with it. Still looks around like the same amount measurement wise. What is this calculated in millimeters, ounces, what? I don't know. Okay, yeah, I don't know. I was trying to look. I don't have my glasses on, y'all. Don't make fun of me. Okay, I couldn't figure it out. And then I use like some peppermint oil. This, I don't even know where I got it from. I'm pretty sure it is not for real hair, but it makes it smell good, so I use it. And I kind of use as many drops as I want to. You probably shouldn't, but I do. I use this, and it's peppermint because, I mean, I like peppermint, but it was also the only thing that I had on hand, and I was like, I'm not going to buy anything new just for this. I don't know if it's going to work. I put it in there to make it smell good. And that's another thing. I don't leave my rice water out. I constantly put it in the refrigerator. And I have a mini fridge, so it's very convenient for me to put it in the fridge. If you don't have a mini fridge, you don't have to put it in there. But what I also did find recently is, before I made this video, I found my old rice water that I haven't used in weeks, literally. And I noticed with me putting the aloe vera gel in there and the peppermint, when I opened it, when I used to just put the peppermint oil, it still was like smelly after leaving it out like for however long. This recently did not have any smell. So I think I might have figured out something. So, and I normally smell it to smell if it's like to my liking. And if it is, then I'll take that. Sometimes I've added some extra oils, but I'm not gonna do that today. And then I'm just gonna kind of like detangle. Well, I don't have to detangle my hair. It's pretty detangled because I did that in the shower. But I'm gonna brush through it. And again, this is my hair, like natural state. There's no products on it, no leave-in conditioners, nothing. I really didn't even like wash my hair. I don't want to say I washed it. I only got in the shower and used conditioner to detangle it because it was tangled, and I just washed it, but I wore it curly. First off, let's not even get into that. I was trying the wet look, baby. It did not come out right. So we're just gonna leave that alone. I'm gonna come back after I detangle my hair and just show y'all how I put it in my hair and what style I leave it in. So okay, anyways, so I can't braid as well as I normally braid, but I just braided this one side because this is what I'm gonna do to the other side. So I just detangled this, and I have two different detangling brushes. I have this and I have this. I have this one at Walmart, got this one at the beauty supply. I like this one better for when I'm in the shower detangling my hair, and this one is like for me, at least in my opinion, is like when my hair starts getting more dry. I don't know if y'all was interested in seeing me detangle my hair, but you know, here it is. Again, not a hair guru. Once my hair starts to get dry, it gets dry, and yeah, I don't know what else to say about it. But like I said, my hair is not very tangled right now, even though I know like you guys hear like the raking and stuff. It's literally not even really going through my hair at all. Yeah, it's not. But anywho, wow, and I left the bottle over there. Okay guys, let me just, and I'm back. Okay, and then I just sprayed in my hair just like this. Again, the way that I'm doing this as well is not typically how anybody else uses it, and you can look this up and notice that if you like go on YouTube. I leave it in my hair overnight, and I moisturize my hair every single day when I start doing this routine again. And then like at the end of the week, I will wash my hair because, I mean, you don't have to because it doesn't really stink with the method that I'm giving you, but I just do it anyway because, you know, I'm putting a product, I guess you can say, and you know, your scalp gets dirty. Two, I just do because it's summertime, it's hot, and well, not summertime anymore, but most of the time when I was doing this method, it was the summer, and it was hot enough that I could do a wash every week and do wash and go for the weekend and call it a day. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm trying to braid this hair and I'm trying to focus because I have way more hair on this side than the other side, so it's a little bit harder to braid, and my nails are making it not easy either, so it's not gonna come out well. As you can notice, like from earlier when I was showing you guys, I have like shrinkage going on, but that's okay too. It's not a big deal. And yeah, once I finish this braid, that pretty much completes the video. If you guys have any questions about anything else about this nice little rice water, wow, I forgot what I was saying, rice water recipe that I gave you guys, you can comment below, DM me, I don't know, whatever, however y'all want to contact me. I will answer questions. And that is it. This is pretty much that. Thanks for watching.